Okay, so I've been sitting in the Chick-fil-A crocheting for like 2 hours because this morning my boys all told me to leave the house and be gone for a couple of hours, and I have no idea what they are doing for me for my birthday. I'm assuming it's something for my birthday while I'm gone, but they have just called me and said to come home. So I'm gonna pack up here and go see what they have done to my house. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm home, and here's my husband, and I still have absolutely no clue why I had to leave the house. Because I don't know what y'all did, and I want.
Oh, I mean, there's that.
They cleaned the garage. That's my birthday present? Y'all cleaned the garage?
No, that's...
I figured I didn't have to leave and be gone for you to clean the garage.
No, or the laundry.
Oh, they did some laundry for me. That was nice. They did not decorate for Christmas, although it's cleaner in here.
It's much cleaner. Everything's been dusted and vacuumed.
My desk looks the same.
Here, let me record you then, too. Can we close the garage door?
Yeah. So where do I go to see what y'all did? It's like Inception.
It's around.
It's around the corner?
Or just around. You'll see. Eventually, you'll see.
Eventually I'll see.
Yeah.
That's the library. Nothing looks different in my living room. There's the normal assortment of stinky teenage boys and smelly dogs.
Thanks. Stinky.
I don't know where I'm even supposed to be looking. My husband's laughing. Did I pass it?
That's everything.
I passed everything.
Yeah.
What's different?
Closer. Sure, figure it out.
I really don't see anything different in my house.
Okay. Alright.
Especially not that it took 2 hours. Except
Well, it
it's
didn't
cleaner.
take 2 hours.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
You'll eventually see it.
I know you'll.
I'm looking in the right place this time.
I mean, it's everywhere, so
It's
I can't really
everywhere.
tell you.
Everywhere.
You've looked past several of them.
Ah! They ducked my house! That is hilarious! I see them now. I see 2. So how many do I look for?
Not really sure. Somewhere
Oh my
between
goodness.
150 and 200, I think.
150 ducks! Y'all, that's awesome! Okay, here we go.
Wait. I have to tell you that I can't take credit
What?
for this.
Whose
I in
idea was
cahoots.
this?
This was Jennifer Cooley
Oh my gosh.
and Antonia Casada.
Ah, 2,
We have
3.
like 150 ducks.
Okay, that is so funny. 1, 2, 3. I found 3.
So she said she had an idea for the house and didn't really tell me what it was. She
No,
said
I
it had
want
to
to
be
find them.
a surprise for me too. No, Asher, go away.
I know.
You slept through it.
Oh, there's another one.
I slept the
You'll
most.
never find mine. I'm telling you that. You'll never find the ones I did.
Let's get you a mason jar. Go get her.
Yeah, give me a jar.
One of the big ones.
Jar.
Oh my gosh.
Jar.
No, a big one.
Good
You
jar.
need bigger than that.
Yeah, but you can.
Oh, there's one. This is going to be a long video if I try to record myself looking for all of them. If
Yeah.
you've got like 150 of them.
I just cut out some parts and post on YouTube with all of you.
Goodness.
I don't think it's for you.
No, it's all for mom.
Well, it's still cut out some parts.
Well, I might put it on YouTube. I don't know.
No, I meant the game is for
Oh, the duck finding is all for me. I don't see any over here. Oh. Let's turn the light on. Can you unscrew the lid for me? All right, there's one in there. Did you like put them under things? Do I need to? Don't judge me. I don't dust. I knit, y'all.
You are very wise.
Wise to look under things? Okay, good to know.
No, nothing breakable.
Okay. I don't see anything else in that one. Surely I wouldn't have shoved them up under the books. Ugh. I would hope not. Okay.
No, this will be like
Oh my goodness.
a long time. But this is the gift that keeps on giving, huh?
This is the problem.
There's no duck in there. I don't see any
It's
ducks.
a small problem.
You didn't put any ducks in my box of Christmas ornaments that I need to.
I don't think so.
I collect Christmas ornaments
I don't know.
all
There was
year
lots of
long.
help hiding, so
Lots of help hiding things.
you've already missed one that I know of, but I'm not telling you where.
I missed one. There's one right there. There he is. Boink.
Infant ducks.
Is Jesus hiding a duck?
I don't think so.
Wait, in the main zone.
Do I need to take anything apart?
No.
Okay. Well, I missed one over here. Y'all are taller than
I
me.
see another one you missed.
Did y'all put it where I couldn't reach or couldn't see? Where'd my jar go? Did someone take the lid off of it?
You get.
Okay, my hands are getting full. So there's my duck jar. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be so busy the rest of the day. Possibly, according
I
to
mean,
them.
you don't have to look for it all. Right?
Are you kidding? I have to find all the ducks.
One thing that game on my birthday too.
You're telling me I'm missing one in here. Let's see it.
You want a hint? Joe hit it.
No, I want to find it by myself. I mean, you can tell me if I miss it, like if I've gone
I
past
don't know
it.
where all of them are, so.
There's not one in
honestly,
with my thimbles, is there? No.
You sure?
Ah, no, there is one. He was down in a thimble. Oh my gosh, I gotta get him out of the jar. There he is. Boink. All right, I am going to keep looking for ducks, but I don't know that you guys want to watch me, so I promise to speed up the rest of this.
Hi.
Is there any more I missed
Can I
over
help
here?
you? Oh. Hi, B.
I'm going to go ahead and spend the rest of the day hunting ducks This is a wonderful birthday surprise. Thank you. I hope everyone has a very happy Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I will have some more content up on Black Friday, so stay tuned for that.